Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. OMG guys, we have a very special episode. Guess what? OMG, so we are going to have fun and have a true Chanel unboxing. Yes, so guys, we are not just going to unbox one Chanel piece, but we are going to unbox two. So one is a very small Chanel something special, and then one something really special that's inside this Chanel box that honestly I have not seen. So again guys, this is a true unboxing and I'm very excited to be sharing the content with you. So if you want to find out what's inside this beautiful box and the other Chanel piece that we have for today, please stay tuned. Hi guys, Ron here, Suki Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramir5 so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys! So let's do a true unboxing, a quick true unboxing. So this has just arrived a couple of days ago and I haven't opened this. I purchased this via Carousel and I'm super excited. This is just something small guys, so it's not a bag. But let's check what it is. So let me just remove the packaging. I love the seller of this one because she took a lot of photos before sending it to me just to show me that she packaged this really nicely. Do you have any comment guys what do you think this is? Here we go. I love the way she packaged this one. OMG. Wait, it's super tight. So let me see if I can remove this. Hi guys, sorry the battery died on me. I didn't notice. So here she is again. So I just removed a couple of scotch tape over there. So I think we can now slide this one out. Ooh. So let's just put her here. Oh my god, this is nice. This is quite, substantial, the weight. So let me just again remove. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Chanel! OMG, this is nice. OMG guys, this is so nice. So it is a book, Coco Chanel. It's a coffee table book. Illustrated, the illustrated world of fashion icon by Megan Hess, as you can see here. Oh. So there is a price over here, but I'll just be going to cover this. I actually got this in a very good deal. So the seller said she was decluttering and she would like to sell this one because I think this was a gift and this is like the second book that she received. This same book, and of course she doesn't need two books of the same time. That's why she sold it to me for a very good price. As you can see, it's still covered. I'm not sure if I want to open honestly. But anyway guys, I'm going to open this soon. Right guys, so I have removed the plastic cover. OMG, this book is really something else. So you are going to see here. So I am excited to be reading this one. Ooh, I think there's a story of Coco Chanel. Ooh, this is so exciting. There she is. Oh my god, honestly, super. Oh, wow. So what's this? Fashion fade, only style remains the same. Love it, OMG. So super love this book. I'm so happy that I got this. So what do you think guys? Yay! Right, now for the super special unboxing for today, guys. So again, this is a true unboxing and I ordered this one from a Japanese consignment store. Actually, there was an issue with this one, shipping it here in the Philippines, and I have to pick it up directly at our customs to pay for the duties and taxes. I'm glad that everything went smoothly and I was able to get this piece without any hassle. So guys, are you ready? Now let's try to open what's inside. Again guys, I'm praying to the unboxing gods that this would not be a failed unboxing. Alright, so let us open. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! So there it is, bubble wrap. So let me just put this one guys down and let me pick up the bag. OMG. So here she is. So it is nicely bubble wrapped, so good thing they are doing that in Japan. So let us remove the cover. So weighing this one guys is a little bit light. So do you have any guesses guys? Please pause this video and comment down below. Are you ready? Now let us open. Now my heart is racing guys. OMG. So 3, 2, 1. Let us open. OMG. Oh my god, can you see now guys? So let me just remove it completely. It is still bubble wrap. One moment guys. OMG. 3, 2, 1. Tchadan! Oh wow, oh my god. Wait a minute guys. So again guys, this is the very first time that I'm seeing this. What do you think? Oh my god. Wait a minute. OMG. Ooh. Oh my god. Wait a minute, you guys. Oh my god. Ooh, wow. OMG. Oh wow. Oh, this is the first time that I am getting this. So it is the vintage dust bag. OMG, it's super nice. I'm not sure if this is the dust bag or this is the buffing cloth, guys. Please do comment down below. Right? OMG, it's super nice. So we have it here. And then now let's take a look of the bag. Here she is. Tchadan! OMG, super beautiful. So this is guys, this one did not come with the hologram sticker and the authenticity card. So again, I purchased it from a Japanese consignment store. So guys, let me just give me 1 second and let me just take a look a little bit closer. Ooh, wow. Okay, yay, OMG, super fun and super beautiful, guys. What do you think? Alright, so here she is, guys. So later we are going to take a closer look, but I would just like to share. So technically, guys, I'm not really sure of what year this was made because again, there is no hologram sticker or authenticity card. I wasn't able to check this one out in person, of course, since this came from Japan. So basically, I judge everything from the photos. But don't worry, guys. After this episode, I'm going to have her authenticated via Zico. So again, I would only be using Zico for having our Chanel bags authenticated. But having a first look on this one, like for example, the CC logo, the stitching, especially the lambskin material, guys, it looks very substantial. The chain is it's a little bit actually it is very substantial because I feel it's very heavy. So I'm super excited to be showing this to Zico and see what she thinks. So as you can see here, guys, so this is the CC logo. It comes with the, so this is a, I'm not really sure how vintage this is, so I'm guessing around late 90s because she still has the marking over there. So it means that this or the hardware is dipped in 24 karat gold hardware, and as you are going to see here, the stitching, it's double stitch. So I'm actually checking before in Google. I'm not really sure if this is called a wild stitch Chanel flap bag. It's a full flap bag, by the way, guys, because if you are going to open that, this is how it would look like. So the CC logo here, and then one moment, guys. So we have that one, the CC, and then the logo of Chanel. So a little bit surprising here, guys, there is a pocket. So it comes with 2 pockets. So we have the main compartment, and then we have a pocket here, and then we have, just like with the regular flap bag, so it comes with the lips, something for your lipstick over here. So later I'm going to show more. Then it has a zippered compartment, and then if we are going to look at the back, so there is no zipper here, but the diamond quilting is still very consistent at the back. So at the bottom part, so there is no diamond quilting. Here is the side, and then although the chain, this one, it's not adjustable, so I'm going to do maybe a review on this one in the future. But if you're going to notice, guys, the chain is just like, or how it's attached to the side, it's just like with the, what do you call this, guys, like the mini square, because I didn't see this in the photos at the Japanese consignment store, because I'm not really sure why they're not showing it. So I was kind of, you know, clueless how the chain would go, whether it's a single chain or you could double it up. So let's take a closer look, guys, on this very beautiful Chanel flap bag. Hi guys, so let's take a closer look at this very beautiful Chanel FullFlap Bag. So again, she is a full flap bag with 24K gold hardware. So here is her chain shoulder strap. So again, guys, there is the marking for the hardware, so it means this is in 24K gold hardware. Then if we are going to open her, she would look like this. There. Then like what I mentioned earlier, so there is a pocket here, so I feel that you could put your phone here. Then there is the main compartment over there. And then just like with the classic flap, so we have 1, 2 lipstick compartment, and we have a zippered compartment over here. I'm just so sad that it did not come with the hologram sticker, but that is okay. So if we are going to check out the front, guys, it says here made in France. So I'm not sure if you could see it over there. And I'm so happy that the color is beige clear, by the way, guys, and I'm just so happy that there is no color transfer or whatsoever. So there are, of course, signs of wear and tear, because of course this is like you know, the age of this bag. But the good thing about this, there are no like major cracking or major tear on the outside parts, as you are going to see. So let's take a closer look in front. So one moment there. So what do you think, guys? So that is the front. And then for the edges, of course, for the edges, it's understandable that you are going to see wear and tear. Then at the back, so at the back, definitely you are going to see the wear. Of course, if you are going to open, there would be creases over here. But good thing is, if we are going to look closer, there are no like huge cracking or whatsoever that I would feel really annoyed. So there are some what you call this, pressing on the quilting. So like for example, this one is a little bit flatter compared to the other part, but I'm just glad. In general, I think the quilting in front, it's a little bit more fresh. It doesn't look so old. The back part, so I'm happy that the back part, there is no color transfer or anything like that. I'm super happy with this one. I just can't wait the authentication by Zico. And this is what I wanted to share earlier, guys. If you are going to notice, there is a grommet where the strap is attached. So I'm thinking maybe I could also attach another there. So you are going to see there's the grommet. I could attach another pearl strap and make a handle for this one. What do you think, guys? Do you think my new Chanel bag is really lovely? So I think, of course, definitely I'm going to try put a photo here of the length of the chain if you're going to wear this one. Then of course you could wear this as a clutch bag. You could just simply hide the chain like this and carry as a clutch bag, carry as a, I tried a little bit earlier, you could definitely carry her as a crossbody, although the chain is a little bit shorter, but that is fine with me. Then definitely could carry her as a shoulder bag. So what do you think, guys, of my new Chanel bag? Honestly, I'm super happy and I'm super excited to be adding her to my collection. Yay! There, how did you find our episode for today? So hopefully you enjoyed this one. So guys, I'm super happy that I got 2 Chanels for today. So I have the Coco Chanel book and of course my new favorite, my Chanel Vintage FullFlap Bag in beige clear. I'm super excited to be adding her collection. So what do you think guys of our episode today? Let's have a conversation and I would love to hear from each and every one of you, and please do comment down below for comments and suggestions. Again guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/AmirFi so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank yous for staying with me in this special shopping or unboxing episode guys. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please do stay safe. I would be seeing you guys soon. Bye!